This is a Goldberg style cub that turned into a L4. Very weathered. From what I've read, they all look like this because they were used very hard. I've installed the Flex Innovations Aura 8 into this, and this is the second flight on that system. So we're going to give her a go. I have this Aura 8 system in 6 planes now. 4 flex planes and 2 wooden planes. And it is just a fantastic system. Now you can do acrobatics with them, but this is a scale plane. Look how stable it is. Flying on a 5000 6-cell. Fly about 15 minutes on that. It's got a hodgepodge of servos. I've got a few warbirds. My three favorite warbirds are, I've got 2 of these, one in a smaller foam version, and a bird dog and a quarter scale. I think they're my favorite warbirds because I'm kind of a slow and low kind of guy, and I kind of like the way these fly. Now you can do rolls and loops and all kinds of stuff with this, and I do, but I like to watch it because it looks really cool in the air. into the jungle. Do you see that? There's its way out. A great plane, and it makes that aura, makes it fly the best it's ever flown. The L4. It's got a Power 60 engine in it, motor. And then from World War II to Vietnam, they went over to this plane over here, to the Bird Dog, the L-19.
What? What?
L-19. Hey, Uncle Deke.